Hey guys, it's Aidette. Today we are doing a Homegoods haul. You guys have requested that you wanted to see some more hauls. I am so grateful that you guys loved the previous video. This is my first video, my first actual video of 2024. I have all these goals. One of my goals for this year is to actually be completely, like, fully active on YouTube along with all my other socials, but I have been prioritizing like TikTok the most and Instagram, but like I have just been abandoning YouTube, guys, and I'm so sorry for even doing that because YouTube is where I started. It's literally my roots, and I just miss talking to you guys. Like, whenever I post on here, I still get really good feedback and I still get the comments, I still get your guys' support, and it makes me feel bad because I'm just like, girl, Aidette, what are you doing? We're better than ever. We're gonna really just take this serious, you know, get back on the grind like I used to be. I would literally post like 5 times a week on my main channel. So I went to Homegoods. As you guys know, everybody's freaking obsessed with Hello Kitty right now, which is so funny to me because I remember the people exactly that are obsessed with Hello Kitty now were the ones that are making fun of my Hello Kitty backpack. This one, to be exact, in middle school, they're like, ew, like the Hello Kitty girl, and I'm like, okay, and now like that's the trend and you guys are being wannabe Hello Kitty fans. And I also went to Marshall's and TJ Maxx. So this is all the stuff that I found from there, all compiled, and this is the first one. This is a blanket. I am way too excited to show you guys this. So let me just take it out of its packaging. This is a little blanket. Can you believe this? I don't know how the heck I found this, but this was the last one. So basically you're supposed to put this like on your head. Oh my gosh, and this is supposed to be like the blanket. Oh bro, no, this is so cute. So this is supposed to be like a child's blanket. I didn't care. I was like, this is like so freaking cute. I kind of want to take a picture in this. Okay, the next thing, so I got this one from Homegoods. This is a 2024 calendar. It has all the months. I don't ever use calendars. I mean, I haven't used a huge calendar like this in a long time, but I feel like it'd be very cute to just like have up and like see all my plans. I think that that's like very helpful for me, and I have a lot of empty walls in my room. Like, it's not decorated at all. But if you guys want to see a like apartment tour, since I am going to be getting the duck out of this place, I just need to get out of here. I need to get out of here ASAP. My lease is up actually in 3 months, so if you guys want to see a apartment tour, let me know and I'll definitely do that. It's very plain, so don't mind it. I'm gonna put this like on my wall right there and just, you know, see the vision. This is like a very cutesy haul. It's not all Hello Kitty, but there is a lot of Hello Kitty. So I got this little paint your own little heart box. I thought that this would be so like therapeutic and cute, and it has like all my little like fave colors except purple. I hate purple and you guys know that, but I just thought that it would be like a cute little craft, you know. It's $8. I got this at Marshall's. They always have like cute little craft stuff, so whenever I see like the planner crafty area, I always go, and like they have really nice pens. I'm a like colorful gel pen type of girl. Like, I just like to have stationery stuff. For some reason, it's always made me very happy. Like, back to school shopping, stop. Usually I would go to Dollar Tree for something like this, but this had a 4-pack of these makeup cleansing wipes. This was $4.99, and you guys know that Dollar Tree is like, what, it's like $1.25 now, and I'm like, okay, why would you guys call it Dollar Tree if you're gonna be charging 25 cents? It makes the world of a difference. So this is pretty much the same thing, and also it was just convenient and cute, so I got this. I always like having a bunch of makeup wipes on deck because I go like through them like water. Doing this little haul just feels so nostalgic, like just shopping and being like, oh look, this is what I got from the mall. I actually really want to go to the mall though. Like, I just want to have a girls' day where I'm like, come on, let's just like buy stuff. But I know that's not smart, but those are fun to watch. I got these 6-pack makeup powder puffs. I really hope that these are soft because I got some from like Shein ones, and like the edges were like a little rough, so it was kind of hard to apply, but these look really soft. I'm excited. They're just hearts, pale pink, medium pink, and then hot pink. I got this last minute. You know what's so crazy? I always find really cute things when I'm about to like go to the checkout line. In the checkout line, I'm convinced that they put the cutest, most random things that you're like, you know what, I think I'm gonna buy this because it's just like so random and like what. I saw that they had these in the area. This was $20, which I feel like is kind of pricey. Am I tripping or not? I want to spray paint the top of this, make it silver, and then paint Hello Kitty, like how she's actually painted. But I needed Q-tips anyway, and I also wanted like little facial pads, and this is made out of glass. The top is made out of plastic. But I don't know, I just thought, why not? I love going through the beauty section. It's so much fun to me. This was $6. I actually got my bestie and I, Allie, matching vanilla almond body scrubs. I'm actually gonna smell it on camera because I just assumed that it was gonna smell good. The way this smells really good. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh, okay, so this is by Pink Sky. This is just a scented body scrub, and I self-tan, so a lot of the time I cannot, for the life of me, get the freaking tan off. I needed a scrub really bad. That one looks nice and like not too over like scrubby. Then I got this pack of 2 BB beanies. This is a black one, and so it's just plain. Let me see what this looks like on actually, with a little tag out. I don't know. We're gonna kind of just have to play around with it. This might look a little weird. Wait, was that a bad purchase? Then I got this one. This one is the pink one. I got it because of this one. Let's see how she looks. I'm not sure, guys. Okay, this one is so much cuter. Yeah, I like this one. I'm not too sure about this one because I just feel like it blends in with my hair too much, but I'll probably just give it to somebody because it's probably not my style. But this is cute. Okay, I would actually wear this. How cute. Okay, period. I'm gonna keep this on for the rest of the video. Ah! I keep forgetting to put this in my car. Okay, I'm gonna keep this out on the side and put it in my car. This was only $10. It's a cute 4-foot sparkly cable. The reason why I got this is because in my car I have literally like, I don't even know how long it is, like an 8-foot cord. Not even 8 feet. It's like a 6-foot cord. And I'm like, why do I need something that's literally a foot taller than me in my car for my charger? It's annoying. Like, I'm always like doing this to like charge my phone. I just thought that this one, since it's like sparkly, would go with my car and it would just be a vibe. So, and it's nice and short. I went to HomeGoods very last minute because I went to go Christmas shopping. I don't know if this is still there. I've been seeing some people getting it. This is $13. So freaking cute. I just think that it would be cute for like coffee on the go, like either cold or hot. I don't know. I'm a cold coffee girl, but this is like Valentine's Day themed. It's so cute. I don't know. I was getting really lucky on this HomeGoods, TJ Maxx, Marshall's trip. I should have went to, what's the other one? Ross. I used to go to that one all the time with my mom when I was little, but I haven't gone to Ross in a long time, so maybe I'll just go with my mom for her memories. Also, I got this in my Christmas haul. If you guys haven't watched my Christmas haul, I will link it down below. It's so cute. I had so many cute Hello Kitty things, but just so you guys know, since we're already here, you guys need to be on the lookout for these bath bombs. I got these for Christmas, and also they have like a pack of these hand creams. I think that they're baby. I mean, I always have dry hands. Like, my hands are soft, don't get me wrong, but like I have this weird thing where if my hands are dry throughout any time of the day, I will literally feel like claustrophobic. It's weird. It's like a sensory thing, I'm assuming. This isn't part of the Hello Kitty haul, but I do have this in the bag and I've been meaning to post it. These are the new Too Faced Kissing Jelly glosses. It comes in all these pretty shades. It comes in sour watermelon. This one's like a baby pink. We have a regular pink in the shade bubblegum, a raspberry color named Raspberry, a yellow one which is called Piña Colada, which makes me need to go on vacation ASAP. There's this like purpley pink, it's called Grape Soda. And lastly, there's this one that's really intriguing to me because it reminds me of SpongeBob, like the coral blue lipstick. This is Sweet Cotton Candy. Yeah, that is all that I got for today's little haul. If you guys made it to the end, hi guys, I love you. You guys are so loyal. Let me know in the comments what you guys want to see from me. I already have like the girly talks, the mental health talks, you know, makeup tutorials, of course. You have said more hauls, but what else? It can be specific and I will make sure to go down the entire line of what you guys want to see and do them for the most part. And I will talk to you guys in my next video, guys. To an amazing 2024 and on.